Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you on how you can edit the design for your website, for your restaurant's website. Alright, so first we need to log into Mucho Taste. Just log into your Mucho Taste account. Okay, and click Manage. And on the left side corner, you can see this star-like image here. This is the setting. Just click that. And on the fourth column, you can see this website here. This first, the system, services, payments, finally the website. So in this option, you can manage or you can edit everything about your website on how you would like it to be formatted, or I mean, how you would like it to appear on the website. I mean, on the page. All right. So we can click it here on the open design mode. You can choose that because it's easier for us to edit if you click that or if you choose that option, because on the right side you can see on how it will be done. Okay, so these are the options. You can edit the themes, colors, fonts, top navbar, header, items, yeah, so everything about the website. So that's basically where you can edit everything about your website. So let's recap. You just need to log in to Mucho Taste and click this manage option here. It's loading. So once you're logged in, this page will show up. Just click that, and this star-like image here. This is the settings, and go to website, and go to open the side mode, and there. Here you can edit everything about the page of your website. All right, thank you for watching.